Welcome my friends, I'm Miroslav and today we're going to be making two recipes, classic crepes and crepe cake. To prepare crepes, you will need 2.5 cups of flour, 3 cups of milk, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 4 tablespoons of melted butter, 3 eggs, 1 teaspoon of salt, Start by mixing the flour and salt together. Add the sugar and mix it all well. Pour in the milk, add the eggs, melted butter, and vanilla extract. Mix everything with an electric mixer on high speed until the batter is smooth and free of lumps. Heat a little butter in a skillet until it melts. Pour a ladleful of batter into the skillet and spread it evenly over the surface. Cook for about 30 to 45 seconds until the edges turn brown. Use a spatula to lift the crepe then flip it and cook for another 30 seconds. Transfer the crepe to a plate and repeat the process with the remaining batter. If flipping is difficult, use a spatula to turn the crepe. When the crepes are ready, you can fill them as you like, with jam, Nutella, sugar, or leave them plain. Crepe cake. To make a crepe cake, you will need 500 grams of cream cheese, 2/3 cup powdered sugar, 2/3 cup heavy cream, 400 grams of strawberries, 200 grams of blackberries, 300 grams of blueberries, clean the strawberries and slice them thinly. For the filling, mix the cream cheese, powdered sugar, and heavy cream. Blend well with an electric mixer on high speed. Set aside 5 crepes. I use a cake mold, but you can use any dish smaller than the crepes. Place the dish over the crepes and cut the edges to shape. You'll need 8 crepes for the cake. Line 3 crepes along the sides of the dish, letting part hang over the edge. Place the first trimmed crepe at the bottom as the first layer. Spread 1/4 of the filling over it. Then distribute the strawberries. Blueberries. And blackberries. Repeat this process 3 more times. For the final layer, reserve a bit of the filling. Fold the crepes hanging over the sides inward. And cover with the last trimmed crepe. Spread the remaining filling on top. And decorate with fruit. Cover the cake with plastic wrap and refrigerate for at least an hour to set. Jam-filled crepe cake. For a jam-filled version, instead of using fruit, spread jam between the crepe layers. I use strawberry jam, but you can use any jam you prefer. Once the cake is assembled, remove the mold and enjoy this delightful treat. It's fantastic, especially on hot days. For an added touch, you can top it with whipped cream. Enjoy! I hope you enjoy cooking with me. Please click like, and if you're new to this channel, click subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.